Hi. I'm Arma Saeed and you're watching The History House, your favorite YouTube channel. This video aims to give you a broad overview. The world's oldest working clock. Please like this video and subscribe the channel for latest articles and updates on daily basis. When they weren't drinking mead, toiling in the fields or dying from the bubonic plague, the people of 14th century England were going to church. A lot. That's why the oldest working clock in Europe, and quite possibly the world, can be found in an English cathedral, and was built as a means to, loudly, remind the locals that one of the day's 7 or 8 church services were about to start. More than 600 years later, that very same clock is faithfully ticking away, its large, iron cog slowly rotating as a small shaft clinks into a metal cog every 4 seconds. The clock, which is located in Salisbury Cathedral in southern England, was commissioned by Bishop Urgum and dates from about 1386. There was apparently a mechanical clock already working in Milan, Italy, by 1335, but the Salisbury clock is the oldest of its kind known to still be working. Centuries after its creation, the Salisbury clock was replaced by a more modern device that chimed quarterly, and it was tucked away into the cathedral's bell tower. When in 1930 a curious horologist noticed its dusty old iron framework, he immediately suspected its historical importance. Today the clock has been refurbished to its former glory, with only a few small parts replaced in the 1950s by Derbyshire clockmakers. To save it from any extra wear and tear, it no longer chimes, save for the odd demonstration to clock enthusiasts a few times a year. I hope you have enjoyed the video, The World's Oldest Working Clock. Thanks a lot for watching The History House YouTube channel. Please like this video and subscribe the channel for latest articles and updated on daily basis.